In this video, we'll demonstrate how to uninstall multiple games simultaneously on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about this feature and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's jump into the steps. From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Storage. Choose the storage drive you're using. Select Games and Applications. Now, to uninstall multiple games. Find the games you want to uninstall and press the X button on each game. Then, select Items to delete. Choose multiple games you wish to remove from your PS5 by selecting them. After selecting, navigate to Delete and confirm your selection. Confirm the deletion process by selecting OK. The chosen games will be removed from your PlayStation 5. This method enables you to uninstall several games simultaneously, saving time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. For further tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnet.business.